Good afternoon. A manufacturing mishap ruined millions of doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And here in New Mexico, that means fewer doses than the state was expecting. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart looks at the effects.
The New Mexico Department of Health calls this a bump in the road. Still, the state expects us to reach a point soon where vaccine supply could exceed demand. Just as New Mexico and other states across the U.S. opened up COVID-19 vaccines to everyone 16 and older, 15 million doses of Johnson & Johnson's vaccine were ruined after a mix-up at a Baltimore manufacturing plant.
It's obviously not something anybody would have wanted, but thankfully it won't impact our overall numbers for very long or in a very big way.
New Mexico received an initial 30,000 doses of the single-shot vaccine and expected another 11,000 from J&J next week, but that's now reduced to 2,000.
It's going to be a small bump in the road, ultimately.
Matt Bieber with the Department of Health says New Mexicans can expect to see more walk-in style or first-come, first-served clinics popping up in the near future. They're already taking place in more rural communities like Farmington.
We're going to get to a point reasonably soon in which there's just more supply than there is demand.
As supply increases, New Mexicans scheduling an appointment through the DOH portal should also see which vaccines are available nearby, meaning the public can essentially choose which vaccine they want.
This Walgreens has Pfizer, that, clinic has J&J, and then they get to choose.
The DOH is also planning more outreach toward young people on social media, engaging college basketball teams and celebrities to spread the message about getting vaccinated.
I don't think you want me on TikTok. I think you want somebody younger and cooler, but maybe, yeah. And maybe what it'll be is just partnering or coordinating a little bit with young influencers that are already out there, that are trusted voices among teens and young people.
The state announced today that 1/3 of New Mexicans 16 and up are now fully vaccinated, and more than 50% have had at least one shot. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now, like other vaccines, 16 and 17-year-olds do need parental consent to get the COVID one. Now, Pfizer is the only one currently approved, though, for those ages.